We're having a look at landforms, and landforms are natural features on the Earth's surface, and it's formed by physical processes like erosion, deposition, and tectonic activity. So let's look at the first two. And the first one is mountains. And mountains are formed when tectonic plates collide and push the Earth's crust upwards. That's how mountains come into existence. Then we have valleys, and valleys are low-lying areas between mountains or hills and are often formed by rivers over millions of years. So if water flows consistently or continuously in a specific area, it will eat away at the rock or at the surface or the face of the earth to form these valleys. Let's have a look at plains. Right, plains are flat or gently rolling areas of land and is often formed by erosion of mountains. Right, so it's flat and gently rolling areas. Then we have plateaus, and a plateau is raised flat areas of land, and it is often with steep sides formed by tectonic forces or volcanic activities. What I would suggest is that you go and have a look at on Google Images of what these different landforms look like, just so that you have a better idea. Then we have rivers and waterways. These are flowing bodies of water that shape landscapes by eroding the land. I just told you about the valleys where when rivers flow over it for millions of years, that's how valleys are formed. So our rivers and waterways are the flowing bodies of water that always, if it flows over an extended period of time, it will erode the land and then form the valleys. But the rivers and waterways flow through the landscape and shape flows through the landscape and forms valleys. And then finally, we have coastal landforms. And coastal landforms are the landforms that are formed at the coast of a country, right? So where the land meets water. So these are beaches, cliffs, and sea caves and deltas. These are the examples of landforms, and it's created by the interaction between land and water. As the waves rush up on the land, different coastal landforms are created because of the water land interaction. You may pause, take notes, and good luck with your test or exam.